In this video, we are going to see how we can group the dates into months in the pivot table of Google Sheets. So let's say that we have this data. First of all, just make sure that when you double click on any particular data, it shows you the calendar. This will help you identify if the dates are properly identified in this field or not. If not, you need to convert it into proper date format so that it can work in pivot table. Otherwise, it will not group it month wise. After that, just click on insert, click on pivot tables, and we will create a new sheet pivot table. Click on create, and there we have the rows, columns, and values. We'll put all the dates into rows section. Hold it, drag it to the rows, and we have all the dates. And let's say that we want to find the date wise sales. Just hold the sales amount afterwards, scroll down a little bit, and let's put it in the columns. But the problem is we want this to be month wise sales and not the date wise sales. So first of all, we need to group this. All we have to do is just right click on any of the date, click on create pivot date group. So we can convert this into group by seconds, minutes, hours, minutes, day of the week, day of the year, day of the month, day and month only, quarters only, or if you have multiple years along with months, you can separate it with that as well. But for the sake of example, let's only convert it to months, and there we have it. Now, whatever we want to show the reports of, let's say for the sales amount, we just want to put it into the columns, and we should get the report. And after that, just hold the sales amount and put it in the values, and there we have it. This is the report, which is grouped month-wise. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.